So you're a tenant in a building, and you need to be very familiar with your lease agreement that you signed with the landlord and know what your requirements are in maintaining your heating and air conditioning equipment. And it's different from landlord to landlord, building to building, but often you will be responsible for getting a maintenance contractor to provide you a maintenance service, typically 4 times a year, where they come out and maintain your property and put filters in and so forth, some other things. Here's the challenge. If you ever come into a property and you just happen to be the tenant that is, in the space when the rooftop unit or split air conditioning or system fails, you may be responsible for all or part of replacing the unit. You may not be responsible for replacing the unit. You need to look in your lease agreement. But if you are responsible, it's very important that you not get caught off guard and then suddenly have a $10,000-$15,000 repair or replacement bill. The other thing you may or may not be responsible for is major component replacements, such as a supply fan motor or, heaven forbid, a compressor. It does occur. And so what a Verify does for you as a tenant, it allows you to know exactly the condition of your equipment and not let it, under a maintenance program, months, years, whatever, go to a point where it's actually failing. And hopefully, you through the Verify, you can determine exactly the condition, see that there's a coil issue that needs to be addressed or a minor repair, so that you can exclude having major repairs and even an ultimate replacement. So one of the things you want to think about is if you have a maintenance contractor already doing your maintenance, simply replace one of their 4 maintenance visits with what we call a Verify service with a filter change. It will be above and beyond what you're getting in maintenance, particularly in your off-season primary maintenance. And for the same price, your Verify contractor will provide you a second set of eyes and a report card and report on 3 things: the condition of the unit, the state of service. It's important that you know what the state of the service is, and then every time they do a Verify, you're going to get a perfectly up-to-date inventory, including model number, serial number, what the rating of the unit is, and so forth. So there's a way you can get the Verify service through the Verify contractor, and it will cost you no more than you're spending in total with your maintenance contractor now. And remember, you're going to keep your maintenance contract with your current maintenance contractor and maintenance program if you like. And the Verify just becomes, again, that second set of eyes, that third objective organization that's verifying the performance of your unit and protecting you from major repairs and inevitable unit replacements before their time. So enjoy Verify.